Merhaba and hello. We continue with the locative case. Hadi bakalım. In this part, we are going to talk about locative case, of course, but we are going to use it with nominal sentences. You know, we studied before like with adjectives and nouns. Now it's time to study it with the locative case. For example, kedi ağaçta. In the picture, you see a cat on the tree. So how do we say the cat is on the tree? We say kedi ağaçta. And next one, the cat is driving. Mock picture, of course. Kedi arabada. The cat is in the car. So it's kedi arabada. Kedi evde. It means the cat is at home. So I wanted to start with third person because it's the easiest one because we don't use any suffixes here. But let's talk about the other personal pronouns and the sentences. Ben, I am. Ben işteyim. I'm at work. So be careful with the structure because ben, of course, I. İş, work. İşte, at work. İşteyim, I'm at work. So this te makes it at work and yim makes it I am. So ben işteyim means I'm at work. Ben evdeyim. It's I'm at home. Sen bankadasın. You are at the bank. So banka, it means bank. Bankada, at the bank. Bankadasın, you are at the bank. We have done O with the cat. So the second person. Sen sınıftasın. It means you are in the classroom. See here, sınıfta, in the classroom. Sınıfta. Why do we have this ta with a T? Because the final sound of the word is fıstıkçı shop or F with a hard consonant. That's why we have to use the suffixes. We have to change the first sound of the suffix into T. So the two hard suffixes, they are together. Sen sınıftasın. You are in the class. What about biz? It means we. We are at the market. Market. Biz marketteyiz. Market means market, obviously. Markette, at the market. In the market. Marketteyiz. We are in the market. Biz mağazadayız. We are at the store. Mağaza, store. Mağazada, at the store. Mağazadayız. We are at the store. Sorry. Siz otobüstesiniz. You are on the bus. Siz, you are, you. Otobüs, bus, obviously. Otobüste, on the bus. Otobüstesiniz, you are on the bus. As you see, otobüstesiniz, it means this person in front of you is older than you. You are trying to be polite or there are more than one person. So, plural you. Siz otobüstesiniz. You are on the bus. Siz havuzdasınız. As you see, there's a pool in the picture. So havuz means the pool, obviously. Siz havuzdasınız. Havuz, the pool. Havuzda, in the pool. Havuzdasınız. You are in the pool. Onlar denizde. In the picture, there are some dolphins. Onlar, they are. Dolphin means Yunus. Yunus, but I prefer to write onlar here. Onlar denizde, o denizdeler. It means they are in the sea or they are in the sea, obviously. Deniz, sea. Denizde, in the sea. Denizdeler, they are in the sea. We discussed it in nominal sentences lesson, but let me repeat myself. So here, for third person plural, you can use ler or lar suffix, or you don't use suffix like third person singular. So, onlar denizde, o denizdeler. Both are correct. There are some students in the university campus Onlar üniversitede. They are at the university. O üniversitedeler. Üniversite, university. Üniversitedeler. I think there is a mistake, so let me correct it super quickly. Here, let me rewrite it. I'm sorry about this mistake. So let's quickly. Onlar üniversitedeler. Onlar üniversitede. O üniversitedeler. So that's why we use it like this. Onlar üniversitede or üniversitedeler. I'll just, sorry. The next slide. I'll just clean them. What about the negative form? Negative form, it was standard. What did we use? Değil. We write değil, but we would say değil. So değil is our negative. So ben evdeyim, I'm at work. Ben işte değilim, I'm not at work. I'm sorry, ben evdeyim, I'm at home. Ev, home. Evde, at home. Evdeyim, I'm at home. Ben işte değilim, I'm not at work. Sen bankadasın. You're at the bank because banka, bank. Bankada, at the bank. Bankadasın. You are at the bank. Sen evde değilsin. Evde değil, not at home. Evde değilsin, you're not at home. So actually you repeat değilim, değilsin, değil, değiliz, değilsiniz, değiller, like this very robotic exercise. So that's the way we do it. We use the locative form evde, okulda, işte and değilim, değilsin with the nominal suffixes. Kedi ağaçta, the cat is on the tree. Kedi evde değil, the cat isn't at home. Biz marketteyiz. We are at the supermarket. Biz evde değiliz. We are not at home. So I have evde, like the locative form, and değiliz, the negative nominal form of the first person plural. And siz otobüstesiniz. You are on the bus. Siz takside değilsiniz. You are not in the cab. You are not in the taxi. So takside, in the taxi, in the cab. And değilsiniz, it's you're not. Onlar üniversitede. They are at the university. Onlar evde değil. They are not at home. Or you can say evde değiller as an alternative. So that's it. We discussed the locative form, the nominal forms with positives and negatives. That's it. Teşekkür ederim. Görüşmek üzere.